Hay subcrisis. According to a 2023 report from China's Ministry of Agriculture, the country produces over 2.4 million donkeys a year to meet the growing demand for donkey meat. How can the country sustain its donkey meat production while still being humane to the animals? Check out our latest farming documentary to find out the answers to the mysteries behind this industry. Donkey farming in China has evolved from traditional agricultural labor to a diverse industry focused on meat, milk, tourism, and medicinal products in farming documentaries. Historically, donkeys played a vital role in transportation and farming. But as mechanization reduced their necessity in rural areas, commercial farming expanded to meet growing demand. Today, donkey meat is a valued delicacy in certain regions, and donkey milk is sought after for its nutritional benefits. Additionally, donkey hides are essential in producing yujiao, a traditional Chinese medicinal gelatin. Tourism has also become an emerging sector, with farms offering interactive experiences to visitors. While the industry continues to develop, challenges such as sustainable breeding, ethical farming practices, and maintaining a stable donkey population remain key concerns for long-term growth. To meet the necessary purposes of donkeys in China, the design and size of the breeding farm are very important. Besides, China's preference for raising donkeys in open pastures rather than in confinement is driven by both economic and welfare considerations. Many farmers, such as those in Shandong and Henan provinces, report in the farming documentary that open grazing helps donkeys thrive, improving their immune systems and the quality of meat and hides, which are essential for products like donkey skin gelatin. Open pastures are also more sustainable. They allow donkeys to graze on natural vegetation, reducing the need for costly feed. This model is not only cost-effective, but also mitigates the environmental impact of intensive farming. In China's large-scale donkey farming, maintaining high-quality breeding stock is essential for meeting the growing demand for meat and ajiao. Farms investing in superior genetic traits have reported up to a 20% increase in reproductive success. ensuring a steady supply of healthy donkeys. Specialized breeds like the Jinghua donkey are valued for their meat yield and skin quality. As demand rises, China has implemented government initiatives to regulate breeding, ensuring donkeys meet high standards for both food and medicinal use. This focus on quality breeding helps large farms sustain productivity while reducing the risk of supply shortages and overexploitation. A key issue highlighted in this farming documentary. In donkey farming, ensuring a reliable food source is critical to maintaining the health and productivity of the animals. In China, some farms have invested heavily in creating their own hay production facilities to guarantee a steady supply of high-quality feed for their donkeys. A farmer from Xinjiang shared that establishing a hay factory on site can cost between $1 million to $2 million. But the return on investment is significant in the long term. By producing their own hay, farms can avoid external fluctuations in feed prices, reduce transportation costs, and ensure that the donkeys receive nutritious and pesticide-free grass, which is essential for their digestion and overall well-being. As shared in previous farming documentary, this move represents a crucial step in modernizing donkey farming. Transporting donkeys to processing factories, especially for the production of ejiao, a traditional Chinese medicine, is a critical and often troubling process. In China, where the demand for donkey skins is high, a significant number of donkeys are sourced from various countries such as Mexico, South Africa, and Venezuela. The transportation typically involves long, harsh journeys in unsanitary conditions, often in overcrowded trucks or even on ships, leading to a high mortality rate among the animals. Upon arrival at the processing factory, donkeys are subjected to rigorous selection based on their size, age, and skin quality. These conditions are closely monitored to ensure a consistent supply for the production. However, due to the immense demand, the trade faces serious ethical concerns regarding animal welfare and legal violations. The process of processing donkey meat in factories in China's farming documentary is highly specialized, focusing on methods that enhance the quality of the final product. Factories employ state-of-the-art techniques to ensure the meat maintains its distinct flavor, with specialized processing lines designed for efficiency and hygiene. These measures, such as strict tenderness controls and quality checks at every stage of processing, ensure the meat's tenderness and safety. Processing yields can be optimized by controlling factors like age and breed of the donkey, with some factories using specific breeds for better meat quality. Additionally, different cuts of meat are processed separately, influencing the texture and flavor profiles, which has been linked to the increasing demand in both domestic and international markets. This high standard in processing plays a crucial role in maintaining the reputation and market value of donkey meat in China. The logging industry in Central and South America plays a significant role in the global timber market, driven by the region's rich forest resources. Countries like Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador are major contributors, producing vast quantities of hardwoods and softwoods. In 2023, the region's timber exports were valued at approximately $6.7 billion, with Brazil alone accounting for over 30% of the total. The demand for timber, particularly for construction and furniture, continues to rise, with countries like China and the US being the primary consumers. Trends show a growing shift towards sustainable logging practices due to environmental concerns, with certified forests covering about 17 million hectares across the region. Despite the rise in sustainable initiatives, illegal logging remains a challenge, particularly in the Amazon, where deforestation rates have impacted the industry's long-term viability. The first step in the timber industry is planting the forest. Balsa and paulownia, two of the lightest woods, are prized for their buoyancy and insulation properties. Balsa, native to Central and South American rainforests, has only 40% solid volume, making it extremely lightweight. To plant these trees, the soil must be tilled 24 inches deep for good drainage. Paulownia seeds are sown in early spring, spaced 6 to 10 feet apart, while balsa is planted at 400 to 600 trees per acre. Regular irrigation is crucial in the first 2 years, with each tree needing 8 to 13 gallons of water weekly in dry areas. Paulownia grows up to 50 to 65 feet, and balsa to 65 to 100 feet within 3 to 5 years. By year 5 to 7, both species are ready for selective harvesting. Balsa plantations in Ecuador cover thousands of acres, producing 3.5 million cubic feet of timber annually, while Paulownia is expanding rapidly in Asia. Light timber trees like balsa and paulownia are typically ready for harvest between 5 to 7 years after planting, depending on growth conditions and tree health. These species grow rapidly, reaching suitable sizes for timber harvesting within this time frame. Modern timber harvesting involves the use of advanced industrial machinery to ensure efficiency and sustainability. Feller bunchers are commonly used to cut and gather trees in a single process, while skidders or forwarders transport the felled trees to central collection points. Afterward, harvesters equipped with computer systems strip the branches and cut the logs to precise lengths, preparing them for transportation. In Central and South America, timber is often transported to manufacturing plants using trucks for short distances and barges or trains for longer distances, especially in regions with well-developed waterways or rail infrastructure. In more remote areas, tractors with trailers or even animal-drawn carts may be used for transporting timber to the nearest road or port before loading onto larger vehicles for processing at timber mills or factories. In state-of-the-art wood processing plants, logs measuring up to 11.4 inches in radius are meticulously transformed into flat, uniform boards through a series of advanced manufacturing techniques. The journey begins with debarking machines that efficiently strip away the outer bark, preparing the wood for cutting. Following this, primary sawmills, equipped with robust circular or band saws, slice the logs into squared sections, or cants, typically measuring around 1 meter, 3.3 feet in length. These cants are further processed in gang saws or edger machines, which can cut up to 12 boards simultaneously, ensuring uniform thickness of about 2.5 cm 1 inch. To achieve a smooth, polished finish, the boards then pass through planing machines that remove 1 to 3 mm of material from each side. Finally, the graded boards are placed in drying kilns that operate at temperatures of 140 to 176 degrees to reduce moisture content to below 12%, ensuring durability and preventing warping. This seamless integration of cutting-edge technology and precision enhances efficiency while maximizing yield and quality, transforming raw logs into high-demand timber products. In Central and South America, the final step in wood processing involves inspecting and packaging finished products to meet industry standards. Evaluation typically follows ISO 9001 quality management standards, ensuring consistency and customer satisfaction, along with regulations from the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, that mandate sustainable sourcing. Inspectors assess dimensions, surface quality, and moisture content, which should remain below 12%. Qualified inspectors often hold at least a bachelor's degree in forestry or wood science and possess certifications in quality control and relevant regulations. For packaging, wooden boards are stacked in bundles of 50-100 pieces and secured with metal or plastic strapping, then covered with protect tarps to shield against moisture and dust. Clear labeling is essential, including product type, dimensions, and destination. This meticulous packaging process ensures safe transport by truck, minimizing risks and adhering to regional safety standards to maintain product integrity. Have you used wood for your items? How do you rate their quality? Leave a comment below the film and don't forget to subscribe to Trending Farm channel so you don't miss out on new topics in our journey of discovery. See you in the next videos.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.